We're going out on a 3-person kayak. I'm Tammy and this is my husband Scott. We are 2 artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided, you know what? Life's way too short. So we sold our home and most of our stuff to move into a home on wheels. Along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full time in search of new landscapes and experiences. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through this RV lifestyle. And until further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire. Let's hit the sea. Let's hit the Salish Sea.
Let's do it.
Our first sea kayaking.
So where are we going to meet these people?
So we're going with Anacortes Kayak Outfitters or Tour. Anyway, we're going out on a 3-person kayak because there's 3 of us and they call it the party barge. And we will have a professional guide to hopefully not lead us astray into any turbulent waters. It's a 3-hour tour and yeah, it should be fun. Maybe we'll see some wildlife, maybe we'll just cruise around on the sea, get a little feel for what sea kayaking's like, hopefully not get cramps on our appendages, and have a good time.
And if we see orcas, hopefully they're further than splash distance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we're going to look just like a seal.
Oh my gosh. Just keep in mind during this vlog that Luke's the one that wanted to go on this kayak adventure. So if he's crying like a baby if a seal jumps on our boat, it's his fault.
Make for some funny. Hey, it could happen. But
It did happen on their website.
it did happen?
I told you not to tell him that. Babe.
It's a good time to divulge all that stuff.
No, I think it's better if it's
interesting.
just not.
That's okay. Seals are alright. Orcas are different. For
Yeah.
sure. Sharks, not so good either. But seals I can live with.
So I put my butt down, okay, and my feet forward, and then I swing my leg.
Commit to the sit, babe.
Oh, amazing.
Looks like so agile. How do you feeling?
Pretty good. I got my skirt on. Ready to get wet.
I'm not ready to get wet, by the way.
It kind of tastes like, some sort of sea flesh. Yeah, like sea meat. And it's good. It's good. It's chewy. And it is flavorful. But you see these spines that it has on its back, that's where it breathes from. You want to touch it?
Kind of. I want to pet it.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, do a couple,
I love it.
do a couple forward strokes.
I want to pet
A
it.
couple forward strokes.
Are we hurting it?
We're not, but we're not going to mess with it for too long, okay? Grab it. You're not
Can
gonna
I
grab
just?
it. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Back into
Sorry,
the ocean.
little sea cucumber.
Adios, amigo. Enjoy your life.
Did you guys know we're circumnavigating an island?
That way.
So like you're one with nature, kind of.
What is it, a rock?
Won't stop, so gonna get on the ride, twisting and turning through life, no matter how rough it gets.
You're too quick with your paddle.
Yeah,
you gotta slow it down.
Rhythm.
Huh?
We never were good at dancing, and I always thought it was my fault.
You're a tap dancer and you're a slow dancer?
always bring me something new.
Those little boulders that get dropped off by glaciers in random locations.
What was your saying yesterday?
Huh? Don't
Yeah.
talk about it, be about it?
Yeah. What are we doing right now?
We're being about it. But look at this. Look all around us. It's incredible. If I didn't have to steer so much, I'd look around more.
Is your mom being a little bit demanding?
I'm going left. Yeah, she's the navigator.
Most of the time brings me down.
Okay, babe, just chop on out of there.
Well, you gotta. Yeah, babe. There you go.
It's just like having a baby. There you go.
I got you.
Read through it exactly. And just because I'm out doesn't mean it's going to get easy.
Now he has to stand up. Is wearing a skirt the favorite part?
Yeah, absolutely. No, it was catching the waves. We did it. Nobody tipped over.
Hey, we finally made it to the shrimp shack and there's no wait. So
The very famous shrimp shack. We're getting a shrimp burger, a fish burger, and a Luke's having a shrimp burger.
yeah,
So we're gonna give this a try.
and he ran here
And he jogged all the way here to work off the calories.
4 miles. Hearty and greasy.
But is it good or?
That's why the people pay extra for it.
How's your shrimp burger?
Anything's good after a 5-mile run.
So, shrimp shack, yeah. Maybe we got the wrong food item.
Yeah, there was more bread than there was shrimp burger.
Yeah, the shrimp burger was this big, and the bun was. It took me half of my sandwich before I actually bit into the shrimp patty.
Yeah.
At which point my disappointment fell further,
Yeah.
and I handed it to Luke to eat. But I've got to give him a 10 for the French fries.
The French fries were really good. They were golden and toasty.
And Scott had a fish sandwich, and that was actually really good. So maybe we got the wrong thing, but I wouldn't get the shrimp burger ever again. But on the bright side, we got to sit and have our lunch with a pretty amazing view. We're at Bowman Bay.
Yeah.
We came here the other day. Now we're going to show Luke this little trail. This is why I have so many gray hairs on my head. Come on, don't go up.
Don't talk about it, be about it.
Good job. That's awesome. We survived.
Journal entry day
Vlog.
3.
We will end this day with we survived. Actually, it was a really cool experience being one with the sea until that boat went by and almost knocked us over. But it was really good. Our guide was awesome. Paula was out kayaking with us. She was a rock star. And Luke did a lot of the paddling, a lot of the work. He had to steer and paddle. I think Scott was helping some.
I paddled the whole trip.
He paddled the whole
You
trip.
have no idea. I paddled the whole
Anyway, I'm so sore from all my paddling. But I tried to get some video for you. That was my job. Anyway, so tell us guys how you felt about the kayaking tour we did.
It was a good workout and it was a lot of fun.
How are your shoulders?
My traps are super sore because I was nervous the whole time.
Right, let's go see what Scott has to say about the day. He's grilling up some brats.
It was really neat. I was actually a lot more relaxed than I thought I would be. You know, I was. Anyway, the hardest thing was getting in and out of the kayak. For sure.
All right, till further notice, we're gonna cook up some grub, get some rest because we have an early morning and another long adventure day tomorrow. Stay tuned for that.
It was like a team effort. Everybody worked at it except for Tammy.
I helped. You guys aren't giving me any credit at all.
You're gonna catch that thing on fire.
You might be a good paddler, but you got some work to do on the marshmallow roasting.
Did it heat a little more?
Yeah, set it up on the...
What kind of face was that? That looks good to me.
They're only good if you do it right.
But the whole experience of being in the ocean, you felt like you were like one with the ocean.
Yeah.
You got to really feel it and breathe it and live it.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely. And if I lived here, I would buy a kayak and I would do it all the time. It would be a lot of fun because you could just kayak out to the islands and you could go camp on the islands too, unless they're privately owned by billionaires.
And if you like our channel, we'd love to have you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you know when our next video is out.